Yo, what's up you guys? Welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm bringing you guys the Yofer wide body flare kit. It's absolutely amazing, very beautiful. Unfortunately, there is a story behind this on what I'm going to do with this on my car. I'm actually not going to be installing this on my car, but I will be showing you in this video what you got to do to get this done. It's a very easy installation. There's really no damage to your car when installing this. All you need is 3M tape and honestly good aim when installing this, because if you install these wrong, then the fitment will be a little bit weird. But before we start this video, our channel sponsor. If you guys like to modify your Camry like me, or whatever car you drive, our channel sponsor KOCF has the largest collection of carbon fiber parts at the best prices. They specialize in real carbon fiber Gen 8 Camry parts, but have over 10,000 auto parts for countless makes and models. KOCF.com has everything from body kits, hoods, trunks, fenders, spoilers, RGB color changing headlights, tail lights, steering wheels, and many interior parts. They got it all. To support this channel and save 10%, use code KC10 at KOCF.com. If you own a Camry, go directly to KOCF.com/CAMRYVIP. And if you like what you see, consider becoming a VIP member before making any purchase. This way you can maximize your savings and get a $50 to $100 gift card. Once logged into your VIP account, you get exclusive access to the website, unlocking special VIP prices up to 50% off, group buys, exclusive member-only raffles, and my favorite, VIP members are automatically entered to win $1,000 a month in giveaways. Find them on Instagram at King of Carbon Fiber. You can check them out there. Remember to use code KC10 at KOCF.com to shop for your favorite car parts and to support this channel. Check these out. They are very beautiful. Here we have the rear, which is for this section of your car. And then this part right here is for the front of your car, which would go along the fender. Now this is for your left side, and then inside the box we have the right side. And it's pretty cool because they actually send you double side tape, and it is actually Yofer brand. A few of you probably don't like this brand of double side tape, so you can always switch it up. It really doesn't matter. But as we go back to these flares, they look beautiful. And sadly, the story behind this was me. I was supposed to actually install these on my car, and as many of you can see, my car is actually in chrome, gold, and these are in pearl white. And I don't have any material for me to install this on my car, so I won't be adding these to my vehicle. But really, you guys, if you ever do want to install these, the only thing you need is double side tape, which is inside the box, and having good aim and just knowing how to position these onto your car, which is really easy, you guys. It's really not too hard. So here we have the rear of the left side, and I'm going to show you guys like a little test of how these look like on my car. All you have to do when installing this is put the double side tape right here on the inside. Make sure your surface is clean and position them well onto your car, and make sure it lines up to the lines of your car. That way it can look good. So here is the tire area. It really just is very aggressive, and this section would be the section of the door. Honestly, it's not really properly well installed, but just so you guys can get an idea, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys now the front side. Check these out. This is the front of your car. If you get these, this is how it would honestly look like. Much more aggressive, and it looks really nice. It looks very beautiful. It sucks that I can't have these for my car. This would be the piece for the fender, and this part would actually go onto your bumper. Same application, double side tape, and right there. Very beautiful wide body flare kit. So here we have, you guys, the Yofer fender wide body flares already on double side tape. If you guys want to watch a video that's full and detailed and gives you a great explanation on how to install these, go ahead and check out Jennry Boyka. He is also on YouTube. I want to give a huge thanks for allowing me to share these clips with all of you on how to actually install these. Now these are just partial clips so you guys can get an idea, but if you guys want to see the full and detailed explanation and also the results of how these actually look, go over to his YouTube, you guys,